Choosing the right mixer grinder can get seriously confusing, and picking the wrong one? It can cost you more than just money. Think noisy motors, overheating, poor grinding performance, and a kitchen experience that's more frustrating than helpful. In this video, I've done the hard work for you. I researched the best mixer grinders under $150 available on Amazon US so you don't waste your time, energy, or hard-earned money. Stick around until the end or jump to the section you need using the chapters listed in the description. But before you hit that Buy Now button, here are a few things you really need to know. 1. Motor power. Most standard blenders in the US run between 300 and 700 watts. But if you're grinding spices or working with tougher ingredients, aim for at least 500 to 750 watts. That's the sweet spot for frozen fruit, turmeric, soaked lentils, and more. 2. Copper wound motor. Many budget models cut corners with aluminum wound motors, which tend to overheat and wear out quickly. Look for 100% copper wound motors for better durability, torque, and long-term reliability. 3. Jar setup and build quality. A solid mixer grinder should come with at least 3 jars. A tall jar for smoothies and wet ingredients. A medium jar for grinding dry spices or coffee beans. A small jar for chutneys, sauces, or dips. Always go for stainless steel jars. They resist odors and last much longer than plastic or polycarbonate options. 4. Blade design. Look for blades made from 304 grade stainless steel. They're rust-resistant, long-lasting, and sharp enough to handle tough ingredients like nuts and dried herbs. 5. RPM, speed range. A good mixer grinder should run between 18,000 and 23,000 RPM. That range delivers the power you need for tough jobs without compromising texture and without overheating your food. 6. Noise level. Let's be real. American homes can be pretty quiet, especially in the mornings. The last thing you want is a machine that sounds like a lawnmower. Always check user reviews to see what people say about noise levels. 7. Overload protection. Many top US brands include an auto shutoff feature to protect the motor during heavy use. It's a small feature, but a big win for peace of mind. 8. Warranty and customer support. Make sure the model you pick comes with at least a 1-year warranty and offers customer support in the US. It'll save you a lot of trouble if something goes wrong. Now, let's dive into the top 5 mixer grinders under $150 on Amazon US, carefully selected for performance, durability, and real-life kitchen use. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us keep creating honest product reviews. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Boss Crown Wet and Dry Mixer Grinder. This grinder is built to bring powerful wet and dry grinding into your kitchen, thanks to its 750-watt motor, ideal for tough jobs like grinding turmeric, spices, or preparing idli and dosa batter. It's specifically designed for 110V use in the US. You'll get 3 speed settings plus a pulse function, giving you solid control over texture and consistency. The transparent dome lid on the liquid jar makes it easy to monitor your blend, while the ABS plastic body and base are designed to boost durability. Weighing in at just over 7 pounds, it's compact enough to store without taking up too much space. It also comes with a 5-year motor warranty and a 1-year warranty on all other parts. For full warranty details or support, we recommend contacting the seller directly. Now for real-life performance. Customers appreciate its power and versatility, especially for Indian recipes. Many say it handles tough ingredients like a champ. That said, build quality and reliability seem to vary. A few users reported the unit stopped working within months. So while it can definitely get the job done, the overall quality may be hit or miss. Best for home cooks looking for a budget-friendly, high-powered grinder for Indian cooking. Check the latest price using the links in this video's description and pick yours up on Amazon.com. At number 4 on our list is the Butterfly 4-jar mixer grinder. This model offers a compact, versatile setup perfect for home cooks who want flexibility in mixing, grinding, and blending. Powered by a 550-watt motor, it's well suited for everyday kitchen tasks like making chutneys, grinding spices, or blending soft ingredients. As long as you're not tackling heavy-duty jobs like crushing ice or processing tough veggies, this motor should hold up just fine. It comes with 4 stainless steel jars, designed to resist rust and offer solid durability for the price. Jar capacities vary, with the largest holding up to 1.25 liters, giving you options for dry grinding, wet grinding, and smaller batch prep. The 3-speed control knob gives you some range, though the functionality is pretty basic. Built for 120V outlets, this mixer grinder is ready for use in US kitchens without the need for an adapter. At about 12 pounds, it's heavier than most compact blenders, which actually helps with stability during use. As for the warranty, you'll want to check with the seller directly for the most accurate details. Real-world performance? While many appreciate the multi-jar convenience and everyday functionality, some users have called out the plastic body as feeling flimsy or less durable than expected. Best 4. Budget-conscious home cooks who need a flexible, multi-jar grinder for basic blending, grinding, and food prep. Check the latest price using the link in the description and grab yours now on Amazon.com. At number 3 on our list is the Videum EVA Nero Mixer Grinder. This model stands out as a strong choice for home cooks, especially those who prepare Indian dishes regularly. It features a heavy-duty 750-watt Aria-cooled tech motor, making it significantly more powerful than most blenders in its class. It handles tough tasks like grinding dosa or idli batter, making chutneys, wet masalas, and even mincing meat, all without slowing down. The stainless steel build gives it a premium, sturdy feel, and the self-locking jars with ergonomic handles add both safety and convenience. It includes 3 speed settings plus a pulse function, offering good control whether you're blending soft ingredients or working with tougher items. At about 8.8 pounds, 4 kilograms, it's solid enough to stay in place while running, but not too heavy to move around when needed. One standout feature is its pentacouplers, heavy-duty, self-aligning connectors that handle high torque. That translates to longer lifespan and smoother performance when grinding thick pastes or hard ingredients. Videum provides a limited warranty, but it's best to check directly with the seller for full details. As for real-world performance, users find it powerful and reliable, especially for Indian cooking. Many note that it grinds quickly, often finishing a batch in under 5 minutes. That said, some do mention the unit is on the louder side during operation. Best 4. Anyone who frequently cooks Indian food or needs a powerful, durable grinder for tough kitchen tasks. Check the latest price using the link in the description. At number 2 on our list is the Ninja BL660 Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. If you're looking for a powerful, all-around blender without breaking the bank, the Ninja BL660 offers impressive performance at a solid value. It's powered by a robust 1,100-watt motor, which makes it ideal for crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, and handling tougher ingredients like apples or leafy greens with ease. Weighing in at 7.6 pounds, it's sturdy enough to stay put during use, but still lightweight enough to move or store easily. One of its standout features is the manual control panel with 3 speed settings and a pulse function. That gives you better control over blending textures, which is a big plus. And cleanup? Super simple. All parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. You'll also get a 28 recipe guide to help you get started right out of the box. Ninja includes a 1-year limited warranty. Just make sure to register your product after purchase to activate it. Real-life performance. Customers say this blender punches above its weight, delivering performance that rivals high-end models. That said, not everything's perfect. A number of customers report that the main jug tends to crack within a few months, so needs improvement. Best 4. Anyone who regularly makes smoothies, frozen drinks, or meal preps and wants powerful performance without the premium price tag. Topping our list is the Preethi Eco Plus Mixer Grinder. Thinking about upgrading your kitchen gear for Indian cooking? If you're in the US or Canada, the Preethi Eco Plus might be just what you need. It's built specifically for 110V outlets, so there's no need for adapters, just plug it in and you're good to go. Preethi is a trusted Indian brand known for making durable mixers that excel at tough jobs like wet grinding and spice blending. The Eco Plus runs on a 550-watt motor, providing enough power for most daily kitchen needs. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars, 1.5L, 1.0L, and 0.4L, all equipped with machine ground, polished blades for smooth, consistent grinding. Whether you're making masala, chutneys, or batter, this unit is designed to deliver. The construction uses a mix of nylon, stainless steel, alloy steel, and polycarbonate, striking a nice balance between strength and usability. At around 11.3 pounds, it's sturdy enough for stable operation but still light enough to move when needed. The jars are dishwasher safe, and the push-button control keeps things simple and intuitive. As for warranty, it includes a 1-year warranty on the motor. Reach out to the seller for full details. Real-world feedback? Customers especially love it for Indian cooking. It gets high marks for handling wet grinding and chutney prep with ease. The biggest downside? Noise. Many users say it runs loud, especially at higher speeds. Bottom line, the Preethi Eco Plus is a solid choice for individuals or small families who cook Indian meals regularly and want a reliable, ready-to-use grinder made for North American kitchens. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and order yours on Amazon.com. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest product review. Have a question? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to everyone. Thanks for watching.